So the title of my thing is when you want to look cute and you need to get out the door. So all day I've been going to do this video, so I'm just now getting to it. So this is a great way to lift your eyebrow and give definition, and it makes you look more rested because it pulls your eyes up. So this is dark blonde brow pencil. I'm just going to do a sweep of some gold out of my eye palette. I'm using this rose gold right here in the lid. Gives a little pop of shimmer, and it's kind of skin tone color. It's just a real pretty color. Looks good on every skin tone, and it adds a little interest. And here's my lipstick. I'm using Midnight Red lipstick. And it's so dark that you don't really have to worry about getting a lip liner on. It's very, very pretty, very neutral. Midnight Red. I feel like I got one lip higher than the other. Alright, so now I'm just going to do my eyeliner. I'm going to do it down here and here. Rule of eyeliner: if you wear it on the bottom, you must wear it on the top. Otherwise, it'll give you kind of a, like, it'll bring your eye down here to make your, it'll make you look tired. All right, and I'm just putting a little bit of this mechanical brow eyeliner pencil on the top. All right, so this is my dash out the door look. I'm going to add a little bit of mascara. And there is my dash out the door look. I got color on. I think I put blush on earlier. I'm not sure if I did or not. More is less unless you're 14. So, okay, I got some color there. So I'm out the door, dash out the door. I just use brow pencil, lipstick, eyeliner, one swipe of eyeshadow, a little blush.